see what that looks like. That looks pretty. Pretty good.
Not gonna lie, these are basically fancy grown-up chicken nuggets.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
With an oriental twist. Get your chicken breast, cut it into chunks, get your garlic, put on a microplane, do the same for some ginger, get into a bowl, and then you're gonna start putting in sweet soy sauce. This is very kind of thick sauce, but it's really nice. Regular runny soy sauce. Doesn't matter if it's light or dark, just get something in there. And mirin, which is like this kind of sweet Asian kind of wine. Cool, it's nice. Tastes nice. And 3 tablespoons of that. The instructions are in the doobly-doo. Go easy on the sesame stuff. It's very strong, but it's a good flavor. You need it. So, as you can see, we're putting in a bit of black pepper, cayenne,
white sugar,
a couple of teaspoons of sugar, obviously a bit of salt. You can change these things after you've actually got the hang of making the original, what I'm showing you right now. So once you've kind of whisked it all up, put it into a bag with your chicken chunks and let it sit in the fridge for maybe an hour, half an hour, maybe 3 hours, 4 hours. And while that's happening, or just as you're taking them out, get your cornstarch mixture and then make sure these things are properly coated in cornstarch. If you know your onions here, you'll probably realize that's not cornstarch. I made a mistake, but it worked out really well. Right? And they will soak it up, and it might even get a bit runny, right? So you can pick up a little bit more of the cornstarch,
no, this
just
kind of
sprinkle
needs
it
to
on
sit
top,
on here for a little bit.
and let it get absorbed in there. It just adds to the crunch.
Okay.
And this is what we're shooting for. We're shooting for crunch and really tasty,
if this stuff doesn't get absorbed,
juicy
then
chicken.
wipe that.
So we're shooting for oil now, 200, about 95, 200 F,
Very
95
pouring.
Celsius.
There you go.
Get them in there,
Because of
and
mistakes.
you know, don't worry about it. Let them go a bit brown. You can use a thermometer to make sure they're cooked. You know, Google
That
for
looks
safe temperature,
That looks pretty.
and take them out once they're done. Put them on a bit of kitchen towel. Then grab some
spice.
barbecue sauce. I wouldn't use ketchup. Use barbecue sauce maybe.
Squidge.
Ideally a Korean barbecue sauce,
Squidge.
and then start throwing them together.
We put
Now you can
a
go
piece of-
wild with
looks like a little
garnishes and stuff like that, but
Yeah.
I honestly with you,
I
couldn't
think
be
I'll
arse.
put-
Just it's good enough as it is. You know, it's a nice crunchy chicken nugget in a bun with a
You want to see that now?
delicious barbecue sauce.
Okay, so go ahead and take it. Yeah.
So this is me doing
So,
quality
it's nice
control.
and It doesn't have much of a garnish on it. Yeah, it's pretty good.